Christmas is nearly here, and if you are as busy as I am, to not have to think about flowers would be the best thing going forward. I have taken the liberty of selecting some combinations which I hope will make your Christmas designing and decorating a little bit easier. Now, the design that I'm going to show you now is a little bit spring, it's a little bit winter, it's a little bit Christmas, and I just love that you can take one design through many occasions, celebrations, and events in your life. Right, what I've done here is I've just put these little magnolia into the middle of my vase. I have some magnolia, which I'm just going to push down equal distance around the outside of my container, like so, and then I'll just put that up onto there so that we can all see where I'm going. Have I got that right? 3 into there. Okay, the next thing I want to put in are these lovely white peony roses. Put those around so that there's equal distance between those as well. I also have these gorgeous Protea, which are, oh look at that, isn't that just lovely? It's a lovely strong winter flower that's going to be beautiful in this combination. That can go, step that up into there, so I'll have one there, one over to there, and the great thing about putting the magnolia in first is it's a really great structure in which to hold everything. That can go in over to there. Right, what else have we got here? I have got some beautiful roses. I've got 3 of those, one into there, that can go into there. And I love with the combinations that I've selected. You can have this arrangement for now, or you could take the flowers out and you could just have them stand alone in a vase scattered throughout your house. The next thing is these magnolias. Now these giant magnolias just so happen to be my absolute favourite flower. They are divine and perfect for this design. So I'm just going to take those up into there, bringing the other one around and down into there, and then this one can go around and into there. And then the last that I've got is some holly. So I'm just going to put the holly in and amongst my blooms. So I could have one into there. Let's bring one into the middle, and then I'll bring the other one. So I've got one on that side, and I'll bring the other one up and into there. Oops, hold on, let me just move that. That's the other great thing. These can be moved and manipulated to suit. So there you are, quick and easy flowers for Christmas that could actually be for any time of the year.